Yo guys, so this is the part 3 of Mango testnet. Now I had to switch back. I had to switch to Kiwi browser. Reason because my wallet have not been connecting on Mrs. browser, so I had to switch to Kiwi browser, and it's very simple, right? I believe we all know how to do this. Okay, just copy this link and come here, open a new tab and paste, right? Then click on this Mango wallet here to to install Mango wallet right here again. Then open it by clicking on this three line upper right here, and scrolling down you see Mango wallet right here. And when you open it, change it to desktop view, refresh the page again, so you can be able to connect your wallet, right? Yeah, so this is how you can do it. So let me try. I don't know why my wallet is not connected. Let me try reconnecting this my Mango wallet. Let me refresh it. Let me refresh it again, and try reconnecting the wallet. Okay. Yeah, the wallet is connected back. Now remember that this thing is a daily stuff, guys. As you are doing, you see my point here. Every day as you come and perform taxes here, you gain points. Okay, so we have done part 1, we have done part 2. Today is the part 3. We have part 4 and part 5. Okay, so but I'm not doing all those parts. I'm doing part 3 and then the last part. So you click on the third one, which is being X. It says, you see what it says here: AI to USDT, USDT to AI. So click on go to tax. Very easy. So you come here, so you click on connect wallet, click on Mango wallet. So you wait for the confirm button to highlight. So I'm waiting for the confirm button to highlight, so I can just confirm this. Okay, so the highlight button came up, and then I confirmed my wallet connection. In case your own does not come up, right, you will see that place that you're seeing key icon, a locked key. Tap on that locked key, enter your wallet password. Okay, and then then you see select all accounts. You tap on it, and then you see the confirm button. Okay, that's another way to get it confirmed. So the next thing to do is to click right here. Okay, this place now, this button, you tap on it, so it brings up the trading interface. So it says we just need to use, this is a normal this is just a normal spot trading interface. This project is really building something massive, so I need to change the limit order right there. This limit order, you see limit order here, so you need to tap on it. If I can zoom it, you see it. So you need to tap on it and then change it to market order, right, so that you can do the thing immediately. So I'm buying with 25%. And guys, remember that on a daily basis you need to copy your wallet address and go to that Discord and collect faucet daily. Okay, so I've collected faucet for today, so I will need to, let me click on 25%. I'm spending 25% of the faucet. You will see the balance right here. See the balance here. Okay, you see the balance of what you have in your wallet. It will display there in USDT. So let me trade 50% of it, which is 0.7. So I buy. You click on buy, so it will bring up this icon for you to confirm the transaction. So it's loading, so you wait a little bit. So yeah, it have loaded. You approve the transaction. So yeah, you say operation successful. So we just bought AI to USDT. Okay, we have done the buying, so let's do USDT to AI. That you do that by just clicking on sell button. That's all. Once you click on sell, we are selling 100% of what we bought. Okay, so I just need to click on 100%, and then I click on sell. So just like that, that's all you need to do. So you approve the transaction again, approve the transaction. So yeah, operation successful, right? So you minimize and then come back again, and then click on submit, click on submit on the two places, and wait for it to show you confirmed, right? So let me pause and wait. So few minutes, it took me 1 minute for the thing to show completed, right? We are done with this. So you need to click on event again. So we are done with this for today, and we have collected the points. Click on event again. You see my point just skyrocketed again to 226 from 211, right? So this one, I'm not going to do this one for now. I'm not doing it for now. I'll do the last one. Is what you have done already. Okay, by going to, okay, I already completed it by going to Discord to collect faucet. Once you collect faucet from Discord, you can just get this one done. It will show you completed, and when you click on it to synchronize. So this is all that you need to do on this Mango testnet. Okay, so let me go back to the home page. Okay, sorry, let me go back to event. So event is where everything is. Anything you see in event, you have to do it. Okay, this tax, this one here, this second to the last one, this one, I think you need to install. Let me click on it and see. You need to install their application. Okay, you need to install their app for you to be able to navigate this one. So you can read it and do it for yourself. Okay, I will not be doing it in this video, although it carries 10 points. It carries 10 points. So if you can do it, you do it and get the points. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Join the WhatsApp group if you like. That's where we get more update on these things. As updates continue to come, I'll be dropping them about this project, right? Yeah, so guys, remember, this is a daily stuff. Do it and let's see what we can get from this. Yeah, thank you guys, and do have a nice day.